Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can fix Pinterest widget not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. The Pinterest widget needs an active internet connection to load your pins. You can try turning the airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. After that, open up App Store. In the search bar, simply search for Pinterest. Once you search for it, tap onto it. And if it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Outdated version often cause a widget to stop refreshing or reappearing. And if it's still not loading or showing up, what you can do is simply long press on your home screen, tap on edit right over here, tap on add widget, and then select Pinterest from here. You can add it again by selecting Pinterest, choose boards or pen, and then tap on add widget. This resets widget's connection. After that, you have to make sure you have enabled permissions. Open up your settings, scroll below, then tap on apps. Inside apps, search for Pinterest and then tap onto it. So inside here, you need to make sure background app refresh and mobile data are turned on. This allows the widget to refresh your latest pin. And that's it. That is how you can fix the Pinterest widget not working quickly and easily. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.